Ready to unlock Instagram's full potential and turn your passion into profit. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down till you see a Professional Account Setup option. If you don't see that option, look for the Switch to Professional Account text instead. Tap whichever one you see on your screen. Instagram will now highlight the benefits of switching to a professional account. These include access to analytics, different contact options, and the ability to run ads. Swipe through the descriptions to see what's in store for you. Select Business. This tells Instagram you are a business entity. Now you will need to select the category that best describes your business. Use the search bar to find the most relevant category, then select it. You can choose to display this category publicly on your profile or keep it hidden. Toggle the Display on Profile option according to your preference, then tap Done. Review your contact information. You can add or update your email, phone number, and address here. Or, you can choose not to display any contact information by selecting Don't Use My Contact Info. Instagram will now ask you to connect to a Facebook page. You can connect it now, or skip this step and do it later. And there you have it. Your account is now a business account. You'll now see a professional dashboard with access to insights and tools to help you grow your business.